Hello everyone, this is Richa Sharma and I'm from India, and from there is a beautiful city which is called Shepherd. I'm from there. I'm starting this new channel Glow and Grow, and this is specifically for people who want to, go through the same journey as I am going through. So womanhood, motherhood and wellness journey. So this is what you'll find in this YouTube channel. I'll give a brief about myself. So I have done engineering in computer science, then MBA in finance, and then I did a lot of coding courses. So I'm also CQF certified. I don't know if anyone knows of this, but it's certificate in quant finance. And then I have around 12 years of experience in investment banking. And during this journey, I got married. I got to experience motherhood, and what I've understood is like we us like all of us get to experience different roles in their lives. So when you start, you are just looking fresh out of the college, you are looking for jobs, you are starting your career, and then you take on more responsibilities, then you like become husband or wife, फिर a wife बनते हैं, and then you get to experience a new role. And then after being a couple, there's a new role which is a motherhood or parenthood role. और फिर उसके बाद में you keep on adding new roles to your life, and some else also keeping your current roles. So in this whole process, I think somehow we forget who we were. For example, I am actually very career oriented, goal oriented, well motivated. I have to do something, achieve something in my life in terms of investment banking. So I was so, focused on this. And then, somehow the responsibilities kept on adding in. And somehow I felt lost. Like, um, what I'm doing, like what is my identity now, like where I am today. And then I got, I kept on changing uh, in my life, in my lifestyle. I kept on changing so many things that I got to know, oh, it's not just me. I know everyone around me who are actually experiencing these changes, and it's not easy, I would say. I'm sure it's not easy for anyone. So yeah, this is the channel for the people who want to see this transition smoothly, and also like keeping your own self intact, and enjoying this life journey, what we call, together. So yeah, some points which I thought I'll discuss with you all. um, since we are talking about we are taking different roles and we have to keep our self sane, and the way we are, we have to be like that. So for this we have to take care of ourselves, of course. Right. But how to take care of yourself during maternity? The second is growing through the motherhood. This is what I'm going to discuss with you all, because when I was navigating, there was no one to help me out, to let me know like what is going to happen next and what will you experience. Is it normal to experience this different kind of experiences, and you think, oh, is this my new life? So there was no one earlier to tell me like what you will experience. And even your parents, you can look up to your parents like, please tell me during your motherhood or during your parenthood, what did you experience? Is it normal? But it's been a long time. Of course they are our mother, father, but it has been a long time for them, and the time is also changing. So for them to actually help you out in this new and challenging times altogether, I think we need someone who can help us navigate through. I didn't have this one, but thankfully you have one now, because I have experienced it and I know like how much time it takes, how much energy it takes. And also you should think about yourself as well this whole time, which most of the people, most of the women tend to forget. So this is what I'm gonna discuss in these videos: how to take care of yourself while taking care of family, kids, and the whole home. And we are gonna also discuss all the doubts and the confusion you have. Maybe you can let us know in the comments. I personally actually I'll go through the comments and I'll help you out if you have any questions related to womanhood, pregnancy, maternity, motherhood, wellness, anything you have questions on. I'll be there to help you out. We will also discuss about how to take care of ourselves head to toe and be emotional healthy. This is what our channel will discuss. um, so yeah, let's do this journey together. तो मैं पहला एक पॉइंट बोलूंगी, कोई अगर आपको, ये मैंने बहुत ही सोच समझ के लिखा था और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं ये अपने ही लैंग्वेज में इस चीज को समझाऊं। कोई अगर आपको क्वीन ना समझे या आपको उसका चेयर पे ना बिठाए या आपको उसका क्राउन ना दे, मेक श्योर कि यू मेक योर ओन चेयर and don't wait for someone to give you a chair or give you a crown. This is my first point, and this is especially for the women who are going through different phases of their lives. So this is for you. The second is exercise daily. I know मैं भी नहीं करती हूँ daily actually. I'm sure most of the women करती होगी पर मैं नहीं करती. But let's start this together every day. Let's do it together. Every day we'll see that, yes, we'll make sure that we are exercising and we'll touch up among ourselves and see like how much we are on the track. Have supplements daily. I cannot stress this enough. Have supplements daily, be it magnesium or calcium or iodine, whichever your doctor is telling you to take. I will discuss like what I am taking, and during pregnancy, I will tell you what medicines to take, which you cannot avoid and should not avoid. I hope like you are getting those supplements with your doctor. So I'll tell what I'm taking, and then you can discuss with your doctor and start taking those. Um, then the next point is we will only eat home cooked food, nothing else. Even if we are going out, we'll carry our own lunch box. So this is the next point that we should start taking. The other thing is that no sugar. So we will totally avoid any kinds of sugar. When I say any kinds of sugar, yes, like no white sugar. So yeah, of course you can take honey, you know, gold also sometimes, not every day I would say, but no form of sugar. We will dress well every day, no matter what happens. Every day you wake up, you have to be dressed well, you have to exercise, then you have to think about other chores. This is what the channel is about. Yeah, let's just start this channel with a new hope, with a new journey, and let's do this together. See you in the next video.